Hi everybody. So in this session we're gonna learn how to install our Laravel project using Composer, okay? And by our terminal, our Git terminal. So first of all, what you have to do, okay, you have to launch your XM control panel, okay? And you have to start, okay? You're gonna start the Apache, you're gonna start also the MySQL, okay? So you're gonna see the green, okay? The green Apache here and the green MySQL here. That means that it's your control panel works. And after it, we're gonna open our terminal. You can use your Mac terminal, your Windows terminal, or you're gonna use, for example, in our case, we're gonna use the Git bash. Okay, so let us open it and let us go back first to the root. Okay, and first of all, we have to verify if the Composer is really installed in our machine. Okay, in the machine. So we have to write Composer. So you're gonna tap this command, Composer, and you're gonna put -v to verify. Okay, you're gonna see that we have this installed. That means the Composer is installed successfully in our machine. You're gonna see we have the Composer version. Okay. And so after this, we can install our Laravel project. So we're gonna tap this command clear, and we are going to be redirected to inside of our htdocs xml htdocs folder in order to create our Laravel project. So we're gonna write cd, we're gonna write xml, okay, we have xml2, and you're gonna put slash, you're gonna put htdocs. So we are going to be inside of the htdocs folder. And then we're gonna write, we're gonna type our commands to create our Laravel project. So how to create Laravel project using Composer. So we're gonna type this command, Composer, and we're gonna say create dash project, okay? And you're gonna say, you're gonna put Laravel, you're gonna put slash Laravel, and after you're gonna say theme. Okay, this is the name of your project. Okay, in my case I have already installed it. Okay, make sure to be online if you want to install this project. Okay, Composer create project Laravel slash Laravel, and you're gonna put space and you're gonna put the name of your project. So you're gonna tap enter. Okay, after tapping enter, you're gonna see your packages, different packages are going to be downloaded. Okay, if you tap on enter, okay, so you're gonna wait for a couple minutes. In my case, I have already installed it, so I'm gonna tap this shortcut, Control C. Okay, so after installing your Laravel project, okay, if your Laravel project is installed, you're gonna come to the PC and open your system disk. Okay, and you're gonna open the xm2. This is in my case. Okay, you're gonna open your xm specific folder where you have installed your Laravel project, and you're gonna open the htdocs to see if really the theme project is created inside of your htdocs folder. Okay, where you're gonna see that we have this here, the theme project. Okay, and that means that we have succeeded to install our Laravel project. And after it, we're gonna set up our Laravel project. Okay, how to set up a Laravel project in order to view our Laravel project in our browser. So we have to come here, we have to open, first of all, let us go back to the system disk. Okay, and you're gonna open it. So you have to come to the xm2, okay, and you have to come to the Apache and conf extra, and you're gonna open the vhost file. Okay, so let us come here. So we're gonna configure, we're gonna set up our yes. So I'm going to remove this, so you're gonna understand the very well. Okay, by default you're gonna have this. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna copy this. Okay, let us copy it and we're gonna pass it here. So let us remove this first line. Okay, and let us remove also this. And what you are going to do, you are going to set up your Laravel project. So you're gonna remove this comment. Okay, and you're going to put the path of your Laravel folder. Okay, our theme, and you're gonna see that in our case we have the xm. Okay, we have xm2, we have htdocs. Okay, And inside of the htdocs we have our Laravel project. So our Laravel form folder, okay, theme, and after you're gonna put slash, you're gonna write public, okay, to access to the public, and you're gonna put the server name. You're gonna say theme, okay, dot test, okay. In my case, I like to use theme.test because if I write, you can also try with theme.dev, okay. In my case, theme.dev doesn't work in my browser. I don't know, okay. I have some problem with my browser, and if you have the same problem, you can use theme.test, but try first use from theme.dev, okay. But in my case, I'm gonna use frame.test. You can also use this, no problem, okay. So you're gonna save, and after it we are going to open also the same block notes, the notepads. You're gonna say block, but we're gonna execute it as an administrator, okay. And after this we're gonna open, okay, let us open. You will see that we're gonna open Windows system 32 drivers etc, okay. So we're gonna select all files, okay. So let us go back. Yes, you're gonna come to the Windows folder. Inside of Windows folder, you're gonna look for the system 32, and after it you're gonna look for the drivers, okay, drivers. Click on drivers and you're gonna click on etc. So you have to select all files, okay, all files. You're gonna open the host, just open, okay, and you're gonna see that by default you're gonna have this, okay, by default. So you're gonna copy this, okay, you're gonna pass this here, and you're gonna put your server name that like we have the server name that we have put in our view host file, okay. You're gonna say theme.test, okay. So you're gonna come, you're gonna save, okay, and what we're gonna do, you're going to stop and you're gonna restart your external control panel. What is restart, and you're going to come to your browser, okay. You're going to tap firm.test and tap enter. Yes, you're going to be redirected to your Laravel project, okay. I think that we have understood how you can set up your Laravel project in your machine, okay. In the next session we're gonna begin with the basics lesson with Laravel projects, okay, in order to make our web e-commerce application. So this is Laravel from scratch, okay, how you can build your beautiful web e-commerce application with Laravel from scratch, okay. So we're gonna see the basics lessons of Laravel, and which is going to prepare us for our web application, our e-commerce web application. So we're gonna meet to the next session. Goodbye.